In today's video, I'll be making a menu console, which with batch programming, and let's start. Let's start now. So what you have to do is you need to start Notepad, type it like that, and go to Notepad like that, and type @echo_off. I'm going to select the color. See what kind of colors there are: blue, lime, aqua. Select B. Okay. So select start. This is where we will start. Okay. We'll select that'll be arcade emulators. Echo D is D selection will be I'll call it Retroarch. E would be exit program. Just please make a selection and press enter. If pre is equal to A, go to part. Just going to copy this. Control C, Control V here. Copy this too. We need an open and a close bracket. Let me see. Close bracket there. Else if pre is equal to B, go to that and then close bracket. Else if Windows V, I'll select that. Pre is equal to C. Go to Windows V again. Select that. Else if Control V, oh, I'm sorry. Equal to D. That. Else if that equal to E, go to that. Else go to start. So if it isn't A, B, C, D, E, then it will go back to start right here and go back to the menu. That's what it means. So if I select A, it'll go to part A, which I will write. Part A. Part A, I said, would be arcade emulators. Put CLS here. Echo. 0 this time. I'll put MAME in there. 1. Go back to the previous menu. Echo dot. Set P IRE. I'll put whatever. I'll just put entry. Okay, is equal to. Please make a selection. Press enter. Get the entry to. If entry. If entry is less than equal to 1, go to L Control V. Sorry. Copy that. Else if entry is greater than 1, go to part A. Go back here again, basically. Else go to part B. Part A. So if it isn't a number, if it's something else, then it's going to go back to here. Okay. The previous menu is going back to start, basically. Here. So I got to find out where MAME is at. Here it is, in this directory. This is what I want to open. Copy that. Control V. I want to run the executable file, which is this. F2, Control C. .exe. This is what I want to run. After it runs, it's going to go to part A again. It's going to go back here, basically, so you can make a selection again. And we're going to see if this works right now. Save as. To go to here. And I want to go to desktop. Put it here. Emulator menu. Call it. .bat. Enter. I should be able to see this here. Select A. No, I messed up here. Okay, I gotta get it like right next to it. So this is where I screwed up. No wonder it didn't work. Okay. Save it again. Let's try it again. Okay, now it works. I'm going to select main, press 0, see if it starts. It starts like it's supposed to. I want to press 1 to go back to the previous menu. It goes back. Okay, good. So it works. I just want to test this out first to see if it worked. So we're going to go to part B now. This is called computer emulators. Okay, hold on. COS. I'm going to put 0. 86 box. One Amiga. Forgot to put Echo in there. Echo. Echo 2. Let's see what other computer emulators are. I don't have DOSBox on this computer, so no DOSBox. MSX is for Retroarch, so I don't have that. I don't have a standalone emulator, but I do have PCEM. Okay, so basically I could select one of these 3 computer emulators. I could also go back to the previous menu, which is Start here. So let's get started then. If OI is less than equal to 3, and go to, I'll call it J, this thing. Else if Control V is greater than 3, go to, I'm going to call this part B. Okay, go back here. Else, go to part B. If it isn't anything else, if it's a letter, then it'll go back here. Okay. Well, J0, this is the first one, for 86 box. See where that's at. Here it is. Copy. D drive. This is on D drive. DB. This is the executable file. F2 Control C. Run. Go to part B after it's finished. J1. Did I say Amiga? Yeah, PC. I have various versions of PCM, so I'm going to make a menu here for PCM. If it's less than equal to 2, go to, I'll call it GDS. Go to J2. Else, go to J2. It's not any, if it's more than 2, then it's going to go back here. If it's anything other than, if it's anything else, like let's say A, J, uh, L or whatever, it's going to go back here. Okay, that's it. J0. Here it is. Whoops. F2, Control C. And go to J2 after it finishes. One, version 17. Okay. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. We have this one here. Go back to start. Here. So we're going to test this out to see if this part works. Computer emulators work. B. Try out 86 box. See if it starts. And it does start. Okay, good. So I'm going to start Amiga and let's see if that starts. Amiga does start. Let's go to number 2. Select PCM version 15. Looks like I made a mistake here. That did not work. Why did that not work? Go to G. Okay. Well, I made a mistake. It's G actually. Not J. G and G. Okay, so we do have to check our work to see if we did it correctly. Okay, let's start again. If that works. Okay, that works. Press 1. That works too. I'm going to press 2 to go back. That works as well. Okay, we always want to go back and check our work. Now I want to do video game console emulators. I think that's part C, I think. That's part C. Okay, good. Let's see what kind of video game emulators that I have in my directory. Got ColecoVision. I don't know if I have an emulator for that. No, I just have just ROMs for it, so I don't have an emulator for that. CPS, no, I don't have that. Just ROMs. Only ROMs. You have an emulator here. Okay. Dolphin Nintendo. Genesis. I don't have an emulator for Neo CD. We're just gonna get what we have basically. What I don't have. Okay, Sega's Master System I don't have. SNES I don't have an emulator for. If MN is less than equal to 10, I'll call it B. Else if mn is greater than 10, go to, let's just call it part C. Else, we'll go to part C if it isn't any of them. It's okay. So what did I say? It's gonna be B. Okay. B0. Atari 2600. Oops, I don't have an emulator for that. No emulator for that either. So we'll get rid of it. Those are the only two emulators that I have. Okay. I guess on this computer, that's all I got. Okay. We'll call it 2 greater than 2. F2 Control C. Control C. Control V there. See what kind of file that is. There it is. Control C, Control V. Part C after we finish. That. We'll go to start after we finish. Go back here. I think that's it for C. Now we're going to do D. Retroarch. Okay, where's that? There it is. Control C. Control C, Control V. We finish, we go back to start. And then D, part E. Let's exit the program after we finish, okay. Let's see if this works or not. It works. Started the Neo Rage emulator. PlayStation, let's see. PlayStation emulator works. Okay, number 2. Try Retroarch D. Okay, I think that's it. If I press E, make sure you use caps because I designated it as caps. For example, here as capital. However, if you want to use lowercase, you can do that as well. I'll show you how to do that. We do have to put this into the conditions when we do this. So for lowercase, we could do that as well. Well, we have to write it in for each one. Else if, copy this, equal to lowercase a, start. I think I just want to copy all that instead of typing it in every time. Okay, good. Windows V. Windows V. I didn't copy that. We just have to write in more stuff. It's pretty laborious. Okay. Let's see if this works, if the lowercase works. I didn't quite finish yet. I didn't do one more thing. I do have to do one more thing. We need to put a lowercase like here. Lowercase here. Here. Control C. Control V. lowercase b, c, v, control v, now we have to do c again. That's why I like using numbers. C, control v, lowercase b, okay, c here. Let's test this out. Lowercase a, oh, I didn't put two equals. Okay, that's why it didn't work. Okay, let's try it again. Back. Let's try lowercase b. Go back. Oh, I screwed up again. Well, I don't like programming. If you make one little mistake, the whole damn thing doesn't work. Did I put part lowercase b? I did, yes. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. I made a menu here. Everything worked. That's pretty much it. If you have any thoughts or questions, you could leave it in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.